Hello, I am here in a pool, a very large pool, an empty pool, a pool that I've been in before to film another video. I recently bought a camera that may or may not be the best camera that I have ever purchased, ever, in all of my history of purchasing cameras. It has great aesthetics, it's not super expensive, film is cheap, you could say that, and it's instant, but it's not a Polaroid. And it's this boy right here. I saw a video of a similar camera on Instagram and I was like, dang, this is cool as hell. And the reason it's cool as hell, one, because it's a kid's toy and it looks like you could chew it, which I really enjoy in a camera. Secondly, it shoots receipt paper. It's an instant receipt paper camera. The idea is that children print it off and then they can color in their pictures or whatever. But I've been using this for some actual photography, and I went around my neighborhood, the industrial neighborhood again, and took some photos to test this bad boy out. The cool thing about this is because it's receipt paper, you don't need any film. You just pop the boy open like this, chuck the receipt paper in there, close it, and you take the photo, and then it starts to print out the front. Okay, this one printed a little rough, but you get the idea. Now, I didn't know how receipt paper worked, and I don't expect you to either, but I was pleasantly surprised to find out that there's no ink. So all you have to do is buy the little receipt roll, just a regular receipt thing that you could buy in any store that sells receipt paper, and chuck it in and it works. And receipt paper is thermal, so it doesn't need ink. It just heats the paper up and does it, and it's such a good idea. And I'm very, very surprised that it isn't more of a trend with taking photos. I've shown lots of my friends this and all of them want it because it's sick. It's sick. It's really cool. Very, very cool little boy. So there's also some other cool shit about this camera. You can just take the photos normally without printing them. So you can take as many as you want. And it does video. It says it's 1080 video. I probably wouldn't call it 1080 video. It also has snake on it, as if it couldn't get any more sick. It's just goddamn cool. All right, trust me. Trust me, it's raining. Also, the camera lens is here. Flip that boy around. You can spin it and you got a freaking selfie camera. Is that not the sickest thing you've ever seen in your entire life? Honestly.